All right, check this. Oh, here we go. We're gonna do a quick parallel park video, and this is in real time in Arlington. There's actually some metal poles next to me, which is detected here, and we're gonna try to squeeze into this spot. Pretty difficult spot. I know sometimes people are like, oh, you're always trying easy spots, but look at this. We've got like an obstacle in front of us, and we've got live cars going by us. And check this out, that's the bike rack. Look at this, incredible. And if we're able to do this in under a minute, honestly, all right, as much as people love to say that, you know, oh, I can park quicker and this and that, but look how quickly it did it. And honestly, that was in real time. There was no preparation, like under a minute. It actually took like 35 seconds, and that was just as good as any human could do it. It was perfect parking. Look at that. It was the last spot too, and FSD just snugged, got me in there. You can see exactly how far the car is behind me. There's actually a lot of space, so you know, I'm interested why it left so much space. I'm actually gonna back up a little bit because there's some major metal barriers in front of me there. So here we go. All right, let me know what you think. Would you use it or no? Or I know some people that don't even know how to do it in the first place, so let me know what you think about that. Hit that like button if you did enjoy this video, and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.